Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to record any Android screen in HD. You can record your Android screen activity. You can prepare videos about applications, whatever you want to record. Even if you want to record any gameplay, you can record that also. So in this video, we'll teach you two methods. So the first application is X Recorder. After the installation, you have to open this application. You have to click on this X Recorder recording tab. Here you will see four options. First one, recording option. Second one, the tools option. From here you can select tools. If you want to get any screenshot, you can also add that function from here. If you want to record camera also, you can also select from here. You just have to check the box. If you want to highlight something in your screen record with brush, you can choose this brush tool also. And the fourth option is audio source. If you want to record your audio, you have to select audio from microphone. If you want to record internal audio, you can do that from here also. Now we'll teach you how you can set up your screen recordings. You have to click on this icon and then you have to click on settings, and then here you will find first option, record audio. Here you will find four audio source. If you don't want to record any audio, you can select the mute option. If you want to record audio from microphone, you can select the second option. If you want to record internal audio only, you can select the internal audio. If you want to record both internal and microphone audio, then you have to select the fourth option. And second option is resolution, and from here you can select the resolution quality of your screen recording. You can select up to 1080 pixel. After doing all these settings, you just have to click on record tab. Here is the record, and then your screen will start recording, as our screen is right now recording. Now we'll talk about the second very best application, which is Do Recorder. After the installation, you have to open this application. Here you will see icon of Do Recorder. To record with Do Recorder, you just have to click on Do Recorder icon, and then you have to click on this record button. Anything you will do on your Android device, it will record all the activity. So with these two methods, you can record your Android screen or any gameplay without watermark. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.